Hi, I'm AmbientDan, and I'm an Italian, which means I love chicken parm. So today I'm gonna show everyone here how to make the perfect chicken parm. So if you follow these steps, I'm guarantee you'll have the best chicken parm you've ever had in your life. All right, let's get started. All right, so we got a cutting board. I bet you guys are wondering, what are you gonna do with the cutting board, Dan? Well, it's quite simple. We've got some chicken. Just for like legal purposes, this is a day after the sell-by date. So if we all die, sorry. Val said it was fine to make it. Just saying. He said it was fine. Got a knife. Alright, so the secret to a great big ziti is to make sure your chicken is cut properly. Oh, this chicken is not so good. So this is Walmart chicken, right? From Walmart. So the quality is sometimes a little suspect, sometimes, but don't worry about that. So right here, if you want to do some simple math, you got 1, 2, 3 chicken cutlets or thinly sliced breasts, if you would. I'm gonna take some of this, like, you know, if you want to zoom in here, I'm gonna take some of this like little fatty stuff off because no one likes to eat the fat like that, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna cut a little bit around the edges, make sure it's nothing bad on the bottoms, and then I'll do the same thing with our second pack right here. All right, so let's begin, shall we? All right, so we cut up the chicken. Went pretty easy. We didn't have too much fat we had to cut up. As you see right here, we have a little bit of what we cut off. We still have to cut up the next pack, but for now, I think what I might do, I'm gonna get these coated and breaded first, and then have them set up so we can start frying all of them together. Chicken. There's a reason for that. None that I know, but we did it. All right, so we are going to coat and bread the chicken real quick. Let me just put these right here. So a nice little tip I've learned in the industry is to use a dry hand and a wet hand, okay? So you have a wet hand for the egg beating, and then a dry hand, put in the thing so you don't get, you know, stuff everywhere. So let's do that. Put this in the egg beater, flip it over, boom, 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 and you grab it with your dry hand, throw it into the crumbs, flip it on over, you know, toss some crumbs back over so it gets all coated. These are Italian breadcrumbs, by the way, I didn't mention that. These are egg beaters, these are Italian breadcrumbs. Flip it over again, and one more time. We're gonna put you over here, and that's our first breaded chicken. Damn. I used the wrong hand, but it happens. See, if you're like a real chef, you don't really need a dry and a wet hand. That's really more for beginners. As someone who's made. All right, we will be waiting for Val to finish up the chicken. He was kind of helping. He's a little bit kind of like my protege, if you would. So I'm kind of teaching him the ropes because I'm Italian and he's not. So he's learning the ropes of, like, you know, spaghetti. Also, I guess while we're waiting, we're not waiting. Okay. That is 6 chicken cutlets right there. We got them all breaded up and fried, or not fried, we're gonna fry them. That's coming up next. All right, so we got 6 chicken cutlets breaded up. Getting ready to fry them because that is a very important part of chicken parm because, you know, raw chicken, you know, you can get AIDS. So, I guess while we're waiting, I kind of lost my train of thought. You guys didn't, I'm probably not gonna include the other part, but he just cut me off like mid-video, he just stopped recording. So we got tomato sauce here. Something that's very important about pizza is the tomato sauce and the cheese. So, anyone can go to the store and get like ragu tomato sauce, right? This is a secret AmbientDan family recipe right here. I'm not gonna lie, my father learned this from his grandfather, who learned it from his father, who was in Italy. This is a family recipe. I lied, my father didn't learn it from his grandfather, he learned it from his grandmother. Or from his mother, yeah.
No, I'm not gonna buy steroids.
Hey Dad, how you doing? What should I heat the oil to when I'm making chicken parm?
I would do like a medium high. Do you have electric pan?
Yeah, well, electric stove.
Well, doing on stove top is a little harder.
Well, that's what we have, Dad.
Like a medium to medium high.
Okay. And what about the oven when I bake it?
You could do like 350, 400. Really don't matter. At that point, you just melt the cheese.
Okay.
I have a professional do it, but the professional firm, so you just gotta keep an eye.
All right. Thanks, Dad.
Okay. No problem.
All right, love you.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, so we're gonna start frying up the chicken. All right, so our oil is up to heat. It's time to start cooking our chicken.
It's sizzling.
All right, it's time to flip, guys. It's my favorite part of the entire process. Look at that baby, golden brown. I'm gonna get the other side. Oh fuck. Look at that. Now let it cook. And now we just keep repeating this until, you know, I guess for now we can set up for the final act. We set up. So we got ourselves a nice and big pan, baby. Nice and big. This is brand new. I think we only cooked one thing in here. So we're gonna set this up. There is a secret that I have, family secret. No one else does it. I guarantee you nobody else does it. You have to wait and see though. So maybe in a couple minutes from now, down the line, I'll show it to you guys. But for now, you have to wait and watch. So yeah, I guess now we just keep cooking the chicken.
Oh, Aiden loves cheese.
Yeah, there you go. Aiden McLaughlin, this one's for you.
Cheese.
All right, let's get some mozzarella. Mozzarella. Oh, we should go with the cheese.
Just want to get like a nice.
You get a nice little panning view.
This is for Aiden.
Let's get it into the oven, boys. Should we do a top wrap? Not gonna get faster. And we're not gonna really time it. We can just like leave the light on.
Yeah, man, I like top too.
So it's time to take it out. We got David here. Do our business for us. Time to take the boys out. Oh yeah, that is nice. That is nice. We're gonna turn this oven off. And I guess it's time to serve up. Before we do that, we're gonna put a little bit of parm on top. You know, no lasagna is complete without Parmesan cheese. It's not coming out as fast as I thought it would. Alright, we could do it ourselves after this. We could do it ourselves after this. Alright, well, I would do a taste test, but no one wants to see that. So, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I hope that after following these simple steps and using my dad's tomato sauce, you guys can enjoy some chicken parm as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm AmbientDan, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.